we'll guide you through how to create an animation on CodePen. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to codepen.io. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log in or create a new account if you haven't already. Click on the Create button at the top right corner and select New Pen from the drop-down menu. Now you have a fresh canvas to work with. You'll see three main panels for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Start by writing the structure of your animation in the HTML panel. This might include elements like divs or images that you want to animate. Next, move to the CSS panel to style these elements and define your animations. Use keyframes to specify the animation states and properties like transform, opacity, or color. For example, you can create a simple animation by writing @keyframesMoveSeer from transform translate x 0 to transform translate x 100px MTO. Then apply this animation to an element by using the animation property in CSS. Finally, if your animation requires interactivity or more complex behavior, switch to the JavaScript panel. Here you can write functions to trigger animations on events like clicks or scrolls. Use JavaScript to manipulate CSS classes or styles dynamically. Once you're happy with your animation, you can click Save and Close at the top to keep your work. You can also click Share to get a link to your pen and show it off to others. Play around with different properties and timing functions to see what works best for your animation. Experimenting is key to learning what looks best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.